Day 2. Okay, the thing is, the Horizon team should be better than anybody else coping with this because we always work from home. It's just that it's been 2 days I did not drive. And 2 days. Fuck it. There you guys see something. Interesting stuff. This is my desktop. Yep. Oh, sorry. Yes, that's an Audi A4 B5. That's the car that made me fall in love with wagons. Sorry. Oh, that's the Subaru Legacy BP5. That's my... Actually, I have a B5, but it's not a wagon. It's not an RS4, but it's a B5. Then I have a Legacy, but my Legacy is not the S402, but close enough. Oops, sorry. I had a Fiat Panda, but it's not a Fiat Panda 100 HP, which is what you're seeing here, but it's red color as well. Lovely little car. Ooh, we have a red color. I had a red color Clubman Cooper S, but this is the JCW. Again, close enough. I had an Audi S4 Avant, exact model, lovely car. I have a 640i Cabriolet, exactly like this. Mine has uglier rims, and this one has a square tailpipe. This is the 650i. Mine is a 640i, but they're the same. I bought a Toyota Crown for my father, exact same model as shown here. My XC90, I had 2 of them, a media unit and then a brand new unit. My current car, my wife's current car, RS6, replacing the S4. And of course, I don't have a repeat AMR, but close enough. This is a repeat. Lovely car. And of course, I have a Fiat 127. Yeah, that's my desktop. I'm gonna sit here for the 3rd day. Alright. I go throw rubbish up. That's an excuse. Oh, my babies. Okay, enough. Next one. I can't stand it. 2 days not stepping into my cars. I just can't. I don't care. Oh, oh, the sound of music. My sanity. Oh. I'll just find a place to leave you guys here. Oh. I don't care, man. I need to move it. Even if it's just that little bit. Oh, I didn't bring my phone. Crap. Anyway, who cares? Right. Some lighting here. Can you see me? Yeah. To hell with it, man. I couldn't carry you. I need to go for a short drive. Just to put some sanity back. Alright. Oh. I know I'm supposed to say home, but this is still technically home. Oh, that is sound of engines. And this is the second day. Crap. Oh. You guys want to listen to it? Oops, not supposed to open my windows. Oh. I'm sorry. I'm sorry, neighbors. I need, even for a short while, please. For the sake of my sanity. Okay. Okay, I'll be quick. Food Panda. I don't suppose there's much people out here. Why are there cars? Okay, people still go out, right? Anyway, we'll just make a right turn. Oh. Initially, I just wanted to start my car and just to hear it roar a bit. But yeah, man, to hell with it. You know what's interesting with the Aston Martin RPM meter is that because the whole meter, the dials, the needles and all that, they're all made from metal. There's no marking of red line. There's no red line marking there. I mean, it's not like you're gonna red line a 6 liter V12. You don't get much chances to do that, but it's just interesting when someone asks me, Bobby, what's the red line? Then I look at the dial, I'm like, I have no idea at all. So, oops, I have to stop here. I'll just stop here. It's alright. Make sure no outside air circulates in. Everywhere you see grab food and all that. This is a beautiful interior. An absolutely beautiful interior. Every single button, every single dial is made of a single piece of aluminium. And I think this speedo cluster is one of the prettiest because of the material. It's not painted, it's not some plastic stuff, it's just metal. And I think it looks exquisite. It looks like an expensive watch. You know. Yeah. Beautiful. So yeah, man, we're all on lockdown. A big thank you to all the medical professionals doing their job. And yes, we'll cooperate, we'll stay home, we won't go out and mix with people. Technically, I didn't go out, I'm just in my car. You know, technically, I'm not gonna step out of my car, I'm gonna meet some people or whatever. Oh, sorry, I just want to do this. Oh, listen to that. Yeah, that's all I want to do. Some much needed sanity. Music, man. This is... It's amazing. The exhaust notes corresponds with my feet. It's as if my feet is connected to the exhaust, as if the exhaust is a musical instrument and my feet right down here is connected dot to dot, you know, because it reacts exactly how I move my feet. Amazing. Amazing. Yeah, that's like the shortest drive ever, but I'm a happy man now. I am a happy man now. Oh, good, please. Okay. I am about 4,000 times happier than I was just now. Oh. I feel much better now. Oh. It's one of the longest videos that I talked the least, right? But nice. I managed to light up the traction control button just now in a parking lot, in a cement parking lot. Oh, dude, so nice. Even if this whole COVID-19 thingy wrecked the economy and I went into bankruptcy this year and I have to sell off all my cars, I'll have tonight to remember, you know, it's Sometimes you don't need to drive fast, you don't need to drive far. You just need to immerse yourself in the simplest form. Nothing else, just you and the car. There we go. Is that big enough, the grill?